No, calm down, not like that, not like that.
Hey guys, you really need to check out this awesome new helicopter from Eachine. This is the 190s model that features advanced GPS technology and a reliable automatic return to home feature. Of course, it is also self-stabilizing for smooth flights and even includes high-tech proximity sensors underneath for extra safety. I wanted to tell you that it's indestructible, or almost anyway. After a solid 8 months of crashes, look at how it turned out. There are just a few little cracks, so here you go, guys. But that nose is shockproof.